Hello, it's Yuki. I run a Japanese cooking class in Osaka for people from all around the world. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to my new class where we make 5 types of delicious Japanese snacks and pair them with 3 exquisite kinds of sake. This class is perfect for those of you who are intermediate levels cooks and want to take your Japanese cooking skill to the next level. We will be using essential Japanese seasonings like soy sauce, mirin, sake, and rice vinegar to create a variety of mouth-watering dishes. By the end of the class, you will master how to balance flavors in simmered, dressed, vinegared, fried, and grilled dishes. With my 5 of experience working at a renewal restaurant famous for its sake, I'm excited to share my expertise in sake pairings. I've even visited sake breweries with colleagues and customers, and I can't wait to share those stories and insights with you. Wow, look at this! That looks so gorgeous. So we will make rice. This is takikomi gohan, and then we will make onigiri. It's a little bit hot, so I'm sprinkle the black pepper to the potato salad. It's so delicious. This photo is that we visited sake breweries in Hyogo Prefecture. That was amazing sake breweries, and it's 6 years ago, so we were younger than now. In my class, you will not only gain valuable knowledge, but also have a lot of fun. Imagine going back home and impressing your friends and family with your new skills and perfectly paired sake. It's a wonderful way to bring a touch of Japan to your table and make every meal special. Don't miss the unique opportunity. Book your spot now and let's create amazing memories together. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.